BSLK stock analysis and BSLK stock prediction. In this 1-minute video, I'm going to show you exactly what I'm going to do and trade. I'm the only guy in the space with 40,000 videos, so I've seen what's working for me and what's not. And ultimately, both projects just pumped up like a madman. Beforehand, I had like even some previous links, but this was before the split, the reverse split. But here's an after, and all I can tell you is that pumps and dumps are a big thing here. I know it went up 86%, and I hope it just continues to pump even more. But the truth and the reality of the matter is that if I see double breaks beneath these lows, it's over, right? Yes, I'm open-minded for more longs as long as we shift above 355 and then take it up from there. But I'm also open-minded for this sell side. Notice how I'm not assuming, I'm just reacting. So we'll continue to keep you updated, not selling immediately. And if you want to learn how I'll make you 5-10K per month, click the first link in the description, get my free emails, and I'll continue to keep you updated. Goodbye and enjoy.